Hey, we're going to do a little tutorial on one of my favorite bands it's Kansas. The song is Dust in the Wind. It's actually a guitar song, but I've done like a little piano version of it. Here we go. Do that. We'll do the little lead break in the end. We'll do all that. Let me try to break this down. This will take going back and forth and rewinding as you need to figure out the song. Basically, beginning is a C. To an A minor. So basically I'm just bopping on C and E. And then I'm going to an A and C. Oh, sorry, A and E. Yeah, A and E. Okay, so. So, C and E, A and E. So. So right hand. Again. That rides on top of the C and E. Sorry, do it again. Now we're going to do the A part. A little hard to do it slow, so it's so. So it's again. Back to the C. Actually, instead of going on the C, when it gets back to the C, it goes back to this D. So it's see if I can do this with the right hand only. Third time. try to do that slowly. Third one, which goes to the D. Like I said, that'll be something that you have to go back, rewind, and use the YouTube playback feature to slow things down. By the way, I just want to talk about some sponsors I have. I'm working with Yamaha as well as Focusrite. I also go through a MacBook and out to JBL LSR 305s. All right, so continuing on. So after we do that, and the chorus is going to be C, E minor, A minor, G, D minor, A minor, G with a B bass. So, same old song, just a drop of water in an endless sea. So again, so C, E minor with a B bass, to A minor, to a G, to a D minor, to an A minor. And that's that little pickup note that gets us to the second part of the verse. Here it is. Same old song. There it is. And then it does it again. All my dreams crash before my eyes in curiosity. All right, third part. Dust in the wind. Dust in the wind. All we are is dust in the wind. Okay, that part is, which is a D chord with an F sharp bass. D chord is here, which is D, F sharp A, except it's inverted. So it's F sharp A, D. Just a D chord. That you put the D on top, that's all it is. Then to G, which is G, B, D, to an A minor. And by the way, I'm just doing a sus2 to make it interesting. Those are sus2s. It's an A minor to an A minor sus2. All we are is dust in the wind. And there's that, always that transition chord that'll get us back to the next verse. So, dust in the wind. All we are is dust in the wind. The same old song, just a drop of water in an endless stream. Dust in the wind. All we are is dust in the wind. Okay? And then we're going to do the little violin solo. try to break that down for you. Again, I don't want the video to be 20 minutes long, so I'll do them quickly, rewind, use the slow down feature, and practice as you need. Also, ask me any questions over in the comments. I'll be glad to help. All right, so the chord breaks over the lead or under the lead is A minor to a G to an F, so back to A minor to an F, so it's on a C, to an A minor, back to the C, okay, I'm going to try to do the lead now, so, which is on the A minor, back over that one. That one was correct. Again. Da 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 da. And now ba da da ba da 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 ba da da. Do it in time now. All right, very good. As usual, go back over each part, practice them, slow them down as you need. If any questions, reach out to me in comments. I try to get back to everybody as quickly as I can. Again, thanks to Yamaha, thanks to Focusrite and everybody else that's sponsoring and working with us. Again, my name is Rich Gertler. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have fun practicing and visit New School Piano. Please subscribe to our channel. Thanks. Bye-bye.